Like me, do you spend your day sitting in front of a laptop? And is it starting to get a little old and sluggish? Well, if you're getting ready to upgrade, there are plenty of laptops to choose from, each with their own unique specs. Do you need a fast processor? What size screen are you looking for? Should it be optimized for gaming or just light productivity work? I'm Dave Johnson, executive editor at Forbes Vetted, and I'll be honest, for me, laptops aren't just the workhorses that get me through the day. I genuinely love testing laptops to check out the newest features and to sort through all the specs like processor speed and screen quality. My tech team and I recently rounded up and rigorously tested over 20 laptops to see which are worthy of being recommended to Forbes readers. We selected these models based on hands-on testing and research. We considered factors like build and display quality, battery life, and overall performance. To help you choose your next laptop, I'm going to share our top picks for 2026 so far. Let's start with our best laptop overall, the Apple MacBook Air, which excelled in every one of our testing categories. Apple always seems to nail aesthetics, and so, not surprisingly, one of our testers called the Air out as sleek and gorgeous. But Apple delivers where it counts too, with a comfortable keyboard and a liquid retina display that renders colors beautifully, offering excellent contrast and great picture quality. But it's 60 Hz, the refresh rate, and that's how often your screen updates. It's good enough for most needs, but it's not optimal for gamers who value higher refresh rates. The laptop comes in two sizes, 13 and 15 inches, but we prefer the 13-inch model because of its portability. It offers up to 32 gigs of RAM for heavy multitasking, but we found 16 gig to be good enough for most users. You can also choose a hard drive as small as 256 gigabytes or as large as 2 terabytes, so there are plenty of options for storage. Battery life is also stellar. After 6.5 hours of playing 4K video non-stop, the battery still had an impressive 63% left in the tank. If you're an iPhone user, macOS allows you to take calls and messages from your MacBook, which is super handy. It also gives you a few ports to connect your peripherals, like a pair of USB-C Thunderbolt ports, a headphone jack, and a charging port. If you need something with more processing power to handle heavier workloads, the Dell 16 Premium is a much better bet, and it was my team's pick for the best premium laptop. It's a sleek, professional-looking laptop with an ergonomic, comfortable keyboard, as well as a large responsive trackpad. It features plenty of ports, including a micro SD slot that's helpful for photographers and other creators who need to upload photos, for example. Our test machine was configured with an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and an NVIDIA graphics card. The vivid display is plenty bright, even for working outdoors. Fast-paced action sequences play back very smoothly, and testers were especially impressed with the display's ability to render shadows and shades of black with excellent fidelity. And because it's a 16-inch display, there's room to multitask with multiple windows open. All that said, it's one of the heaviest general-purpose laptops we tested, weighing in at 4.5 pounds. You'll still be able to pack it in your bag, but we wouldn't want to go on a long hike with it. Its battery life lasts around 5.5 hours. It won't run all day, but it's plenty to wrap up a project at the local coffee shop. Maybe you don't need just a laptop, you want a tablet too. Well, the Yoga 7i 2-in-1 was our favorite convertible style laptop. Its utilitarian design feels sturdy and it offers plenty of ports, including a pair of USB-A, 2 USB-C, a headphone jack, an HDMI port, and a micro SD card slot. But the real draw is its ability to fold into a tablet. The touchscreen is responsive, and its 16-inch display offers plenty of real estate for working with multiple windows. We found the tablet mode great for taking notes. It gets very bright, and the contrast controls help the shadows and dark areas look velvety black when streaming video. One unexpected feature, it has Dolby Vision built in for high dynamic range as well. Battery life is also impressive. After 6.5 long hours of playing 4K video, it still had 46% battery life left. Its speakers include Dolby Atmos for enhanced audio playback, and our testers appreciated that there was very little bloatware installed. So if you're a gamer who wants a gaming laptop light enough to travel, we named the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 as the best gaming laptop because it offers excellent performance and great graphics to match. Many gaming laptops we tested weighed close to 7 pounds. In contrast, the Zephyrus G16 weighs 4 pounds and felt light enough to take your gaming with you. It has a mostly minimalist design. The exception is a large, snazzy-looking light that runs diagonally across the lid. And the thin bezels give it a semi-futuristic sort of look. The keyboard includes fun RGB lighting, which you can customize using onboard software. The display is superb. At just 50% brightness, the display is vivid enough to see all the details. And while most of our top models feature a 60 Hz or maybe 120 Hz refresh rate, the G16 has a phenomenal 240 Hz refresh rate, and that helps keep all the graphics exceptionally smooth during even frantic gameplay. These graphics are provided by an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, and that's suitable for almost any gaming need. During testing, games like Borderlands 3 looked clear and smooth, and the display showcased every color without oversaturation. Our configuration included 32 GB of RAM and a terabyte of storage. For top gaming titles, that much RAM helps to keep the machine smooth and responsive, and a terabyte of storage is enough to hold a small library of games. Now, for professionals who need a powerful, lightweight laptop, we picked the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 as the best business laptop. It's nondescript and utilitarian. And while it does offer a spacious trackpad, the keyboard includes a red track point, which you can use as a mouse replacement without lifting your hands from the keyboard. And it's really lightweight. It clocks in at just 2.5 pounds. You can opt for 32 gig or 64 gigabytes of RAM, and if you're on the fence, 32 is fine for most business needs. You can also opt for 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes of storage. While the 14-inch display may not be as big as some other laptops, our testers felt it was sufficient for routine tasks. And were really impressed though by its clarity and brightness. Even at 33% brightness, the model showed off rich contrast and crisp details. The battery life was disappointing though. Our testing showed it only lasted 3.5 hours. Odds are though, you'll be plugged in most of the day anyway. These are just a handful of the best laptops we've tested here at Forbes Vetted. But trust me, the testing never stops. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and TikTok to see what we're benchmarking next and hear about more of our favorite picks. And if a laptop here made you do a double take, you can find a link below.